Hi guys, how is it going? Sunny from Garden World. If anyone watching our channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe. Look at this beautiful arrangement. Can you believe these are weeds? Yes, you heard me right. These are weeds. I was doing some spring cleaning in the yard and found these beautiful flowers. Look at them. Aren't they so beautiful? I thought, why not give it a try making an arrangement? Come on, let's see. I'll show you how I put this together. I'm cleaning these weeds, but I'm not going to trash these. Instead, you are going to see what I'll do with these beautiful weeds. Look at them. Aren't they so beautiful? So pretty. Look at those white flowers with that yellow pop of color. So pretty, and these long stems are so beautiful for arrangements. I'm collecting some more weeds from the yard. I'm going to make an arrangement with these weeds. I took this sugar bowl with water. Placing the weeds in the bowl. If anyone knows the names of these weeds, please leave in the comment section. I have no idea. I just got some weeds in the yard that are nice looking to make this arrangement. I'm just going with my flow. Let's see how this will turn out. I'm just trying to create some layers here. Trying to get that vertical interest. And fill in the middle. Aren't they prettiest weeds? Look at those flowers. So beautiful. I think I'm almost done. Trying to tuck in some of the other stuff. I'm loving it so far, the way it's looking. I'm done with my weeds arrangement. I love the way it turned out. It's looking so beautiful. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments if you like it or not. This is where I placed on my foyer table. I love those soft spring colors. That white, green and with yellow in the middle. It's looking so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Can you even believe this arrangement was from weeds? Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Give it a try, guys. Look at around your yard and see anything that's interesting to you to create something like this or the way you like it. If you do that, please leave those pictures in the comments. I would love to see those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.